Welcome back to Health Matters. We're talking about a specific psychological quality of the human personality, leadership. And here's your poll question again tonight. How does your boss/employer lead the organization you work at? A, with inspiration, integrity, and vision. B, with fear, control, and authority. Or C, a bit of both. Let us know at rogerstv.com/Health Matters. I'm joined with Lance Seckerton, PhD in economics of the Seckerton Center, author of this fabulous book, The Spark, the Flame, and the Torch. We touched a little bit about what it means to spark your spark, and now we're going to light your flame. All right, Lance, talk to me about the flame.
Well, we did some research which was interesting. We asked followers what they didn't like about leaders.
Interesting question.
Yeah. And they said, we don't like cowards. 6 things. We don't like cowards. We don't like people who are phony. We don't like people who are selfish. We don't like people who lie. We don't like people who rule with fear. And we don't like people who are idiots. So these 6 things are the things that people can't stand about leaders. And by the way, I don't have the research to define this, but maybe that's about 70% of leaders. So we've got a minority that aren't like that, right? So I figured out, well, why don't we just do the opposite? So the opposite is courage, authenticity, service, truthfulness, love, and effectiveness. So those spell castle. And if we live those 6 principles, we inspire other people. Because what people love are leaders who are courageous, authentic, serve, tell the truth, are loving, and effective.
Nice. I noticed the first principle is courage.
Yes.
Aristotle wrote that courage is the most important trait that a human could possess, because without courage, there's no movement.
Exactly.
You're stagnant. HuffPost had an article about steps that could help you to be more courageous, and one of them was be vulnerable. Show yourself to the world. Let people see who you are.
That's nice.
Don't deny us the experience of seeing yourself.
Right.
The next was be honest and confront your fear. Face your fear and expose yourself to that fear. And research in psychology shows time and time again that repeated exposure to what you fear diminishes the fear response.
Right. And you know, fear is an acronym for false evidence appearing real.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it? How fake our fear is.
That's right. So much of the time, it doesn't even exist.
It's self-created.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but you're right to point out that courage is first, because we don't do anything unless we're courageous. We can't say sorry. We can't say I love you. Can't say I need your help. Can't say I don't know. Can't say I've got an obsolete way of thinking and I need to update the thinking. We can't do any of those things. In other words, we can't make any change unless we're courageous.
Sure, we can't open up to the blessings that want to come into our life if we're, shut down. Now, do you think that courage is something that's out there that we have to bring into our life, or do you think it's an innate quality that we just have to awaken?
I think it's, yes, I think the latter. I think we commit to being courageous.
Yeah, for sure. Do you want to move into your torch?
Yeah, the torch is really about how we pass this on to others. You know, once I'm inspired, the spark, and then I'm inspiring other people, the flame, now I can move into changing the world, creating a legacy, paying it forward, growing people, coaching, teaching, mentoring, all the things that in the end will make a difference when I'm not here anymore. So, the whole idea of paying it forward, I've got something for you that I want to give you. This is a little coin.
Oh.
And,
thank you. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, it says pay it forward on it.
That's right. And on the other side it says,
my coin.
on the other side it says, you can read what it says on there. It says inspire change, because that's what you do.
Inspire change.
And
here, wait, let me turn it around. Inspire
it's
change.
a gift to people to say, thank you for inspiring change, and keep this for a while, and when you're ready, pay it forward and inspire someone else. There's lots of really cool ways that we can pay it forward and be the torch.